Where can I learn digital marketing? First, you can learn it on this show, The Marketing Commandos. I'm going to refresh them really quick, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time every day. But now that the little plug is over, I'm going to give you other ways to learn it from it. I would advise you to follow that one tip. Don't try to learn about it, because if you search about it, you learn the best ways to post on Instagram. What's the #1 thing to grow my Facebook on 2022? And if you have that mindset, that approach of, hey, I'm going to be how do you say that? Somebody that studies the topic. You're not gonna use it. You're going to be a student that's not going to apply, and that's not going to get the best result that it can. And I don't want you to do that. The best approach I would recommend you to have is to maybe not know anything, or at least not knowing everything. Maybe you just know a bit, or maybe you don't know anything, that's fine. But you post and you try. By trial and error, you're going to get 1, way better results, 2, much faster insights and analytics and data that's going to indicate you what is working and what's not. It can be content. Okay, seems like that post I did yesterday performed better than the one I did last week. What's in that one that I can take and use in the next one? You can learn that way. And that should be the primary way for you to learn. Because if not, you're going to be searching the best way. You're going to try to have your little perfect Facebook, Instagram video, or YouTube video, and you're never going to post it. Quantity beats quality on social media. You got to be aggressive, extremely aggressive. Because if I tell you how many minutes, you know what I'm going to tell you that. I think there is a stat. I don't have the exact number. Something along the lines of billions, maybe 10 billions of minutes of videos on YouTube are published every day. Billions. So if you don't have the way to have an incredible production and be sure, hey, we've tested with $10 million of budget that this ad is going to work because of A, B, and C, which works, but it requires a lot of experience, money, and time. If you don't have that, if you are not in that case, the best way to do, and still, even if you are in that place, the best approach you can always have is to be extremely aggressive and be posting, running ads, an extreme aggressive way. Quantity being extremely aggressive with that.